Kakaxi is an AI-powered platform to easily collect and analyze remote images and ambient data. We designed the Kakaxi camera device to capture the natural world and utilize data from remote environments. With zero maintenance and easy installation, the Kakaxi device can upload images and climate conditions, such as temperature, humidity, and solar radiation, to the cloud from virtually any location. From the outback of Australia to the mountains of Colombia, Kakaxi is the world's only camera with climate sensors that is fully solar-powered and connected by 3G in over 130 countries. Kakaxi's applications are limitless, and we're working with partners around the world to explore possibilities. For example, AI can analyze images in vineyards and send notifications when the grapes turn red. AI can also measure the height of plants and can detect the bird activity in remote, open-air storage facilities. As a tool to provide continuous assurance, Kakaxi helps food suppliers answer consumer demand for more transparency. By combining IoT and blockchain technology, Kakaxi represents a standard for traceability in the supply chain.
My name is Adam Smith, and I'm co-founder of Kakaxi. Kakaxi is the most adaptable IoT device and AI platform designed to analyze and understand the natural world around us. We are happy to apply our technology to your business, and I invite you to join us.